Hey everybody, it's Liz. I'm going to log you into the new site that we have from Cengage called where we can access Cognero, which is where you can find where you can create assessments and where you can print your assessments from for your new AP resources and also for anthropology. So first of all, you're going to put in your student DoDEA email. And then you're going to put in your password. And if you didn't change the password, it's welcome one. If you did change the password, you have to remember what you changed it to. Or click on forgot and they'll send you another one. Okay, so we're waiting to sign in. All right, great, we're in. So now you guys have already set up your classes by adding the ISBN number here and selecting the correct product. So now we're ready to go ahead and get access to our testing system, which I think you guys are really going to like. So come down to the bottom, you're going to find Cognero here. You're going to click on that for whatever textbook you're using. It will say Cognero. Great. Now once you're in, I'm going to move the box over. I'm going to select create a new test. So that's what we're going to do. You can select something else, but today that's what we're doing. So I'm creating a new test and I'm going to give it a very original title. I'm going to call it Introduction to United States Government. I know. Just my creativity is beyond compare. All right, so now I'm in. I want to build an empty test, so I'm going to click on Build an Empty Test, and then I'm going to come over here and click Finish. Then I have this blank test. So I want this to be a pre-test to see what my students know about just the basics of the United States government. So what I just did, it was very exciting. I came over here, I see nothing. I come over here, I'm going to click on where it says the name of my course. So AP Government and Politics. Click the little check, and voila, all of the resources are here. So I want to talk about the Senate, the House, the executive branch, the judiciary. Oh, look, oh yay. Get it? Oh yay, dumb joke. Judiciary here, so I'm going to click on it. I'm going to scroll down. What's really awesome about this is I'm going to hover. I can see what the test question is, and then I can decide if I want to use it or not. So I want to include this one in my test. So this is super exciting. You just drag the thing over, and voila. There it is. Oh, this one's got a political cartoon. How awesome is that? Okay, then if I want to add my own questions, I can click on here, New Question. I'm going to select multiple choice just for fun. Oh, then okay. Don't forget the okay or you're just going to be staring at it for hours, okay? And then you're in. You can add your multiple choice, but notice up here, you guys, you can put in links. You can put in photos. So you can add political cartoons, whatever you want to put into your assessment, you'll be able to do so from this area. Then when you're done making this fabulous assessment question, click OK. And it's automatically added. Now you're going to notice the answer is here. You're thinking, well, I don't want to print that for my kids. Well, when you come over to File, and you hit export and then go to Word document. What's File, Export Word document? It's going to create your test, and you're going to notice when it's created that the answers are no longer visible. So you're creating your answer key as well as creating the test for your students. And then I'm going to click here to download your Word copy. I'm just going to hit save because it's so awesome. And then it should, here we go. I know. You've seen a Word document before. But your test is going to be in the Word document, and it will not have notice. It does not have the answer, and it puts everything like in color, and it looks really beautiful. So that is your test, how to create them. I hope you guys like this new resource that we have, and I really appreciate your patience as we roll out the resources for your new materials. Thanks a lot, you guys, and see you soon. Oh, also, if you have any questions, please reach out to your district ISS. For those in Europe East, until you have one, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks a lot, you guys, and have a great day.